What happens when you bring famous food industry YouTubers together? You get bold and innovative ideas that take your menu to the next level. Saucecraft by Ventura Foods is excited to partner with Sam the Cooking Guy, Steven Gusato, Michael Ligier, and Byron Talbot.
The lineup from Saucecraft, it's almost like an extra hand in the kitchen. Very, very good to know that you can always rely on that quality of flavor, and these dishes are like such a prime example of that.
I can incorporate this into a ton of different dishes in the kitchen without adding too much extra work, which can help streamline your pantry and control costs. Now, the goal for us today is to be bold, innovative, and unique.
A lot of restaurants are struggling with labor shortages, supply chain backups, and a host of other issues. So to take the load off your back, we're here to bring you some fresh and innovative ideas for your menu.
Using the big, bold flavors of Saucecraft will get you there in a simpler, more delicious way. And by the way, these dipped in a little extra garlic Parmesan sauce, amazing.
You don't want to miss out on this epic series. Watch for exciting videos that showcase our innovative portfolio of ready-to-use, scratch-tasting sauces and make it easier for you to create your masterpieces.